U.U.U. What's up, y'all? Something jump back into these Patreons. Let's get it on. Maybe. Next, we got a Chris coming in from my photo. He wanted me to check out some Shinedown. So that's what we about to get into. So, Mr. Photo! This is for you, come on. Like the first track. Keep it going. Two for two. Keep it going. It's hook, man. Goosebumps. Great hook. Not all slow ballads are safe. This one's safe. It's hook. Sing it, boy. Yeah. It's just saying. I'm just saying. It's the best song. Take him to church, boy. Take him to church, Ray. Yeah, that's the one. Sometimes goodbye is a second chance. Yeah, that's right, baby. Hold on. Put that in my playlist. Okay, I added it. Let's get it. Keep it going. I can't get past the last song. I gotta run it back. I know. I gotta run it back though. I gotta hit the song again. I can't get past it. Bring it back. Let's keep it going. We can keep it going. Come on. This lead singer is doing it for me, guys. Even if I don't like the song that much, I wish I knew the word. lead singer, man. This guy's reaching me, man. This guy's reaching me. Yeah. You know, even if the songs aren't the greatest, the lead singer's doing that thing, man. Yeah. Excuse Yeah, man. Slow ballads are safe on this album, guys. The way this guy's singing, guys. This guy can sing, man. The way he's singing is reaching me, guys. I believe him. I believe whatever he's saying, I believe it, man. He's saying with so much passion. I love it. I don't need to hear no more of this album, guys. I've already made my mind up. I'm so invested in the lead singer. I want to hear more of their albums, guys. This guy can sing, man. This guy's reaching your boy, man. I already made my mind up. We can keep it going, though. Come on. Take me to church, baby. Take me to church, baby. I'm good. I don't need to hear no more of this album, guys. I'm already so. There's nothing gonna change. There's a couple more songs, and I don't think it's gonna change my opinion on the whole album. Yeah, man. I'm definitely interested in this band. I'm definitely interested in his lead singer. This is a great album, guys. So yeah, man, you got some more reactions to this thing, man. It's rare moments where slow ballads are safe with your boy, and it has to do with the lead singer, guys. And if you got a guy that can sing, I'm on board. You got some more reaction to this thing. My reaction. You saw my reaction, man. Loved it. Just my thoughts. Till next time.